नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 8th के हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स में हिस्ट्री लेसन नंबर 6 बिगिनिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम मूवमेंट्स इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 6 बिगिनिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम मूवमेंट्स। उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के ए में क्या दिया गया है, रीराइट द स्टेटमेंट्स बाय चूजिंग द एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस। उसमें से फर्स्ट है द सर्वेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी वाज फाउंडेड बाय डैश। ऑप्शंस गणेश वासुदेव जोशी, भाव दालजी लाड, एमजी रांडे, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। इसके आंसर में आएगा गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। द सर्वेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी वाज फाउंडेड बाय गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। नाउ नेक्स्ट, सेकंड द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज हेल्ड एट डैश। पुणे, मुंबई, कोलकाता, लखनऊ। इसके आंसर में आएगा मुंबई। द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज हेल्ड एट मुंबई। नाउ नेक्स्ट, थर्ड डैश रोड द गीता रहस्य। लोकमान्य तिलक, दादा भाई नौरोजी, लाला लाजपत राय, बिपिन चंद्र पाल। द आंसर इज लोकमान्य तिलक। लोकमान्य तिलक रोड द गीता रहस्य। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं। बी में क्या दिया गया है, राइट द नेम्स। फर्स्ट मॉडरेट लीडर्स। कौन थे? गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले एंड फिरोज शाह मेहता। सेकंड एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लीडर्स। फर्स्ट लोकमान्य तिलक, सेकंड लाला लाजपत राय। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया, एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स विद रीजन। फर्स्ट, in the struggle of independence, a sense of identity was awakened among the Indians. The answer is first, Western education familiarized the educated Indian with modern values such as liberty, equality, democracy, and nationalism. Second, the Asiatic Society at Bengal edited and published hundreds of manuscripts in Sanskrit, Persian, and other Indian languages. Third, the realization that India had a rich ancient heritage aroused the feeling of national pride. This gave a sense of identity to Indians. Now next, second, two groups were formed in the Indian National Congress. The answer is first, though at a slow pace, the contribution of Indian National Congress was consistent in the initial stage, but the extremists failed to intensify the freedom struggle. Second, moderates and extremists were unanimous about the objectives of Congress, but they had differences regarding the methods or way to achieve it. Third, the moderate insisted on constitutional measures whereas extremists wanted to adopt safer methods. Fourth, the tension between these groups increased during the Surat session in 1907. This led to the formation of two groups within the Congress. Now next, third, Lord Curzon decided to partition Bengal. The answer is first, Bengal was a large province, so under the pretext of administrative convenience, the province of Bengal was partitioned by Lord Curzon. Second, accordingly, the Muslim majority East Bengal and the Hindu majority West Bengal were created in 1905. Third, the real motive was to create a divide between the Hindus and the Muslims and thereby weaken the nationalist movement. The British used the policy of divide and rule. Now next question करते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया, राइट शॉर्ट नोट। फर्स्ट, objectives of Indian National Congress. The answer is the Indian National Congress was established in 1885 with the following objectives. First, to bring together the people of India on a common platform. Second, to create a feeling of unity among them, irrespective of religion, race, language, geographical territories. Third, to provide opportunities to understand one another's problem and views. Fourth, to increase the feeling of unity among the people. Fifth, to take measures for the upliftment of the country. Now next, second, anti-partition movement. The answer is first, with the motive to create a divide between the Hindus and the Muslims, Lord Curzon divided the province of Bengal in the Muslim majority East Bengal and the Hindu majority West Bengal in 1905. Second, the day of partition, 16th October, was observed as the National Mourning Day. Third, all over India, protest meetings were organized to condemn the decision of the government. Fourth, singing of Vande Mataram and Raksha Bandhan program were arranged to mark the protest. Fifth, government-run schools and colleges were boycotted in large number by the students. Sixth, sensing the intensity and severity of dissatisfaction, the British annulled the partition of Bengal. Now next, third, 4-point program of Indian National Congress. The answer is In the session of 1906 of the Indian National Congress, the 4-point program was unanimously accepted. First, Swadeshi, to make use of capital, resources, manpower in our country so that it become self-sufficient. Second, boycott. It was decided to boycott foreign goods as the first step, and boycott of foreign rules be the next step. It would be an attack on the roots of British imperialism. Third, Swaraj. The final objective is to attain freedom. Fourth, national education. To impart education which will create pride for the nation among people. Now next question करते हैं. Fourth question में क्या दिया गया? Explain the background behind the establishment of Indian National Congress with the help of the following points. हमको यहाँ पे 5 points दिए गए, सारे points को हमको यहाँ पे explain करने हैं. The answer is the background behind the establishment of the Indian National Congress in 1885. First, centralization of administration. First, the uniform policies, identical reforms, and equality before law brought the nation under one roof. Second, the network of roads and railways brought the peoples of the India together. Third, it developed the feeling of unity among Indians. Second, economic exploitation. उसमें first क्या आएगा? The economic exploitation of India through the imperialistic policies led to the drain of the Indian wealth to England. Second, industries declined and the farmers became bankrupt. Third, imposition of taxes on middle class and the exploitation of workers class by the capitalists led to growth of discontent. Third, Western education. First, Western education familiarized the educated Indians with modern values and principles such as liberty, equality, and democracy. Second, they accepted principles like rationalism, humanity, and nationalism. Third, they realized that they can carry out work of the country by following them. Fourth point क्या है? Study of the ancient Indian history. First, manuscripts in Sanskrit, Persian, and many other languages were examined and research was published. Second, many Western scholars started to study Indian culture. Third, the realization that India had a rich ancient heritage aroused the feeling of national pride among Indians. Fifth, role of newspaper. First, newspapers in English and vernacular languages carried articles criticizing the policies of the government. Second, it led to social and political awakening. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 6 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.